Hello again, our dear participants. I'm Mel Anthony Infantado Atienza, Senior Economic Development Specialist at the Project Monitoring and Evaluation Division, or PMED, of the DepDev Regional Office Mimaropa. Welcome to our session under the Engineering for Non-Engineers webinar series, and I will be discussing the training objectives before we proceed to the training proper. So this would just be very quick presentation, and just as a brief background po, the Engineering for Non-Engineers webinar series is a continuing capacity building initiative led by the DepDev Mimaropa PIMED through the RPMC Secretariat. So primarily, this activity aims to equip the Provincial Project Monitoring Committee or PPMC and the Local Project Monitoring Committee or LPMC members with the essential technical knowledge on engineering concepts and their application. Of course, this has always been possible through close collaboration with our development partners and stakeholders, particularly the Department of Public Works and Highways and the National Irrigation Administration, who both continuously support us and share their technical expertise as resource speakers in the Engineering for Non-Engineers webinar series. So various online trainings on engineering topics such as flood control and irrigation, building, road and bridge construction have already been conducted since year 2020. So this is the birth year of the Engineering for Non-Engineers webinar series. Participants to the previous trainings were from the provincial or municipal project monitoring committees of the five Mimaropa provinces and also the RPMC members, including the state universities and colleges or SUCs. So this year, the first webinar will be this 2-day session on roads and bridges construction, while there's also second webinar, which will focus on flood control and irrigation scheduled on the second semester of this year. So stay tuned for the next webinar sa mga announcement po namin in this series, no? For, of course, for a deeper appreciation of key infrastructure topics and their relevance to development planning, monitoring, and implementation. All right? So let us now dive into the training objectives. So generally, the Engineering for Non-Engineers webinar series aim to improve the capacity of our PPMC and LPMC members in monitoring infrastructure projects. Basically, this training is designed to equip our members, particularly those without or even those with limited engineering backgrounds, with the essential technical knowledge for effectively overseeing commonly implemented infrastructure projects in the region. Of course, this is very important whenever we conduct our field monitoring visits, no, in the region, in the provinces, as well as now in the municipality level. Okay. Moving on for the expected output. So by the end of this 2-day training, the PPMC, LPMC members will be able to first define the basic concepts and terminologies related to roads and bridges construction, including road and bridge classifications, construction phases, and the commonly used equipment. Second is the participants will be able to identify common erroneous practices in roads and bridges construction. And lastly, we'll be able to utilize appropriate RPMES forms for reporting findings and recommendations, documenting problem-solving sessions or yung tinatawag po nating PSS, and of course, preparing other qualitative reports. This training is very essential whenever we conduct our field monitoring visits, no? Kasi this is the technical part, no? Pag we monitor projects that are mostly infrastructure in nature. And as we conclude this presentation, we really look forward that this webinar would be fruitful and beneficial for you participants. So let us all participate actively po and engage in every discussion. And with that, it's a wrap up for this presentation on training objectives as well as the expected output. Break a leg, everyone. Thank you very much.